Welcome to my channel. I am happy to share with you some quick tips how to take a flat lay photography. I will use cosmetics I found at home. You can use this type of photography when you are taking photos of your favorite products of your favorite brand. Let's start with the background. I want to keep the final result really simple. So first of all, no additional stuff, just product and product itself. I mean, really. You can use the product itself as a textured background, or you can use the liquid from the similar product. Don't worry to experiment. My first thought was to use just one colored background, so I printed paper in the similar color of my products. But when I started to make a texture, the liquid sank into the paper. In addition, paper background bended a little bit, but it was an unwanted effect for me. I was not satisfied with the overall result and I had to figure out something else. Then I came with the idea of using glass. Yes, I have a big table of glass, so why not to use it? With the glass, the liquid texture is just perfect, exactly how I imagined. I created texture to express the product. So for example, when I have a product of circular shape, I created a dotted texture. Or I just try to spread some cream in the zigzag way. When you want to achieve smooth texture, you can smash the cream with tissue. I also try to change the colored paper under the glass. I like the result very much. It's easy and really quick to do product setup. This way the product enhances very well. You don't have to always create an abstract shapes, but you can create something what everybody knows well. You can then incorporate the product into this scene and create beautiful lovely photo. Now let's talk about light. My idea was to create a harsh light to get at least some perspective to flat lay photography. So I used one additional light from the left side of the product. I think this one light works great for me, so I added no other lights to this light set. Scene is well lit and the glass helps to reflect enough light to get really colorfully looking photos. Let's be more creative and add some more to the composition. When you have some products which contains rare ingredients, you can use them. I used sea salt mixed with lavender oil. Here you can see the result without using and with using glass when taking this photo. Another great trick is to use water. On the glass table you can pour a little bit of water to get this interesting effect. I like to use water because it's just simple to use but very effective. In my opinion, it will make some kind of dynamic effect on the final photography. You can change the color paper to experiment with the background you will like. I hope you enjoyed the video and tips I prepared for you. Let me know down in the comments which quick tips do you use when you are creating cosmetic photography. Do you like creating textures or do you like simple background? For now, I hope you'll have a great day and see you in the next video.